A heat wave spell scorching Delhi for the last 2 days is predicted to worsen today, with the Indian Meteorological Department issuing an orange alert warning that the mercury may soar to 46 to 47 degrees Celsius in parts of the city. Yesterday, the maximum temperature at the Safdarjung Observatory, Delhi's base station, was predicted to settle at 44 degrees Celsius as against 42.5 degrees Celsius. On Sunday, a yellow alert has been issued to caution people about a heat wave. Cloudy skies and thunder may provide some relief from the intense heat wave next week. This is the fifth heat wave, 1 in March and 3 in April, in the capital this summer season. Today, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal visited the Mundka fire incident site. Kejriwal said that the Delhi government has ordered a magisterial inquiry into the incident and the culprits will not be spared. He announced that a compensation of 10 lakh rupees each for the families of those who were killed. He added that the injured will be given 50,000 rupees each. Yesterday, the government in a notification said that India has prohibited wheat exports with immediate effect as the world's second biggest wheat producer tries to calm local prices. Centre said that the shipments of wheat are allowed for letters of credit that have already been issued. Global buyers were banking on India for wheat supplies after exports from the Black Sea region plunged since Russia invaded Ukraine in late February. The prices of wheat and wheat products in the country have gone up by 15 to 20%, while global wheat prices are at a 14-year high. Asserting that the state of India's economy is a cause of extreme concern, senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram today said that taking into account global and domestic developments, it may be necessary to contemplate a reset of economic policies. Addressing a press conference, Chidambaram said a slower rate of growth has been the hallmark of the present government in the last 8 years, and the post-pandemic recovery has been indifferent and halting. The videography survey of the Gyanvapi Masjid complex in Varanasi resumed today amid tight security arrangements. The mosque management committee has indicated that it will cooperate for now with the team assigned the task by a local court. District Magistrate of Varanasi Kaushal Raj Sharma said that the authorized people, all parties, their advocates, court commissioners and videographers have reached the spot and the survey has started. The mosque is located close to the iconic Kashi Vishwanath temple, and the local court is hearing a plea by a group of women seeking permission for daily prayers before the idols on its outer walls.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.